ladies and gentlemen, is how the upside down shorts were made. So here's the deal. There is a New York City based brand called denim that specializes in out of the ordinary vintage denim. I'll leave a link down below in case you want to learn more about it. Each pair of shorts costs $345. Don't have $345. And I would absolutely love to support the artist, but I can't afford to. So I decided to create my own upside down shorts. This isn't really a tutorial because I didn't record the important parts. I also recorded this like a month ago and I don't really remember what I did. I did not plan ahead and winged it all. Anyways, let's just get started. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your favorite thrift shop and buy yourself a pair of jeans that are 2 to 3 sizes too big for you. I got mine at sǳēročs for $3.49, but they had a sale for purple tax, so I only ended up paying about $1.75. As you can see here, I used a pair of my high-waisted shorts to measure how long I wanted the actual shorts to be, leaving a lot of room for error, and I made a lot of errors. So keep those pant legs close by. Keep them. You're going to need them later. The next thing I did was seam rip the crotch, front, and back seams, essentially tearing the pants in half. I also seam ripped the zipper away from the pants because I was going to reuse it for my shorts. I then wrapped the waistband of the pants around my thigh to make sure that there wasn't too much of a gap. This is why it's important to have a pair of jeans that's 2 sizes too big for you so that it can wrap around your thighs comfortably. Unfortunately, the first pair of jeans I did this to were exactly my size, so I ended up having a jean diaper. I tried the jeans on, marked where I wanted the side seams to lay, pinned the 2 halves right sides together, then cut the excess fabric to reduce bulk. Here is where those extra pant legs come into play. I'll be using the excess fabric to compensate for the area where my waistband could not reach. I pinned the actual shorts and the excess fabric right sides together, then marked exactly where I needed to close the leg hole. I finally begin sewing the back portion of both leg holes, but I don't sew it shut yet. This allows me to have more freedom to sew other areas of the shorts before I'm finished. And to connect the 2 halves, I sew straight down the middle of the back. In case you're curious, I am using a Singer sewing machine, and because I'm lazy, I only use a straight stitch for the entire project. To invert the back pockets, I begin seam ripping the bottom of the pocket. That's going to be our new top. I was careful not to rip the top gold stitch because I wanted to maintain the illusion that it was still hemmed onto the jeans. Then I glued the loose ends in the back to avoid unraveling. To close the pocket shut and avoid anything falling out, I do a top stitch all across the top of the the new bottom of the pocket. Now this is the part where it gets very complicated. That pin that I'm pointing at right there is where I would like my pant legs to end at my crotch. I did that by trying on the shorts and pinning exactly where I wanted them to end. An easier way to do this would be using your high-waisted shorts and measuring the same length as the pant leg right in the crotch of the shorts. And it's going to form a J as you'll make the curve and then the straight line across the back of the shorts. And then you sew slowly, being careful not to do the curve too fast, otherwise it will become very blocky and uneven. Making sure that the shorts were inside out, I clipped the open ends of the leg holes right sides together, and sew it shut. This is the part where I begin to mark out where I want to sew the zipper, and instead of explaining how I managed to do it, I'm going to leave a link to a video that I found helpful when learning how to sew a zip fly down in the description box. And learn from my mistakes and practice on an extra piece of fabric because my zipper is not good. I finished up by taking in about 1 inch from the waist of the shorts for a more fitted look. I then tapered it into a triangle for a seamless tuck. To prevent the top from fraying, I did a straight stitch all around the waist. Here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you soon!